Welcome to Lantheus Holdings company presentation for Bio 2023. Next slide. Lantheus is one of the most successful pharma build-up of the recent years. Leveraging 65 years of radiopharmaceutical expertise and know-how, we place our bets on the emerging innovation in the field that led to triple our revenue in the last 3 years and successfully upgrade Lantheus from small cap to mid cap in 2022. Today, with a market cap of $6 to $7 billion, a strong balance sheet, we are pursuing our journey, focusing our effort on further expanding and diversifying our growth. Next slide. Our story is one of growth through acquisition and seamless execution, leveraging our legacy in the field. As you can see on this chart, how Lantheus outperformed the XBI, which was driven by a bet we made back in 2019 with the acquisition of a small biotech company, Progenics Pharmaceuticals. 2021, we launched the lead asset, Pylarify, a PSMA targeting radiopharmaceuticals, which since then has driven an unprecedented revenue for a radiopharmaceutical. Leveraging this successful launch and associated cash flow, last year, we expanded to therapeutics with the licensing of the 2 late-stage assets of Point Biopharma, PNT02 and PNT03, which both address a market opportunity of more than $4 billion. Next slide. Coming back to our investment thesis, our bets are based on the renewed growth of the radiopharmaceutical market, which is expected to reach over $30 billion by 2030. The key catalysts behind this growth are the unprecedented success of new radiopharmaceuticals like our own PSMA diagnostics and the launch of new therapies like Novartis Pluvicto or the coming launch of Point PNT02. It's worth noting that such a growth is fostered by the modernization of the underlying infrastructures for manufacturing, supplying, and dispensing radiopharmaceuticals, which has been subject to substantial expansion in the recent years. Also, we see the path for sustained innovation in the space as a massive capital has been injected in the back of a number of biotechs in the development of novel targets, new payloads, and backbone platforms, creating significant growth opportunities in the long run. Next slide. We like to do a parallel between radiopharmaceuticals and ADCs with 12 approvals, 4 blockbusters, and the recent acquisition of Seagen by Pfizer for over $40 billion. ADC technology has proven scientific and financial value. The foundation of this value is obviously the combination of payloads and targeting monoclonal antibodies to enhance the therapeutic index. Key advantages of this platform are the ability to improve the performance against known targets and IP and regulatory protection stemming from the complexity of these assets. Radiopharmaceuticals is evolving to potentially match and beat this approach with a relatively similar modular design, offering more flexibility when it comes to targeting moieties, potentially more potent and safer payloads that are sourced from a large range of radioisotopes, and the underlying radiochemistry platform creating additional avenue for IP. Another very important consideration for radiopharmaceuticals is the concept of theragnostics, which associate imaging, biomarkers, and therapy, where both the biomarker and therapy use the same molecule to either image or treat a target, which enable you to treat what you see and see what you treat, ultimately translating into a capital-efficient path for your drug development programs, with better patient selection and the ability to establish drug efficacy in the early stage of drug development. increasing your overall probability of success of your programs. Next slide. We are here today at Bio 2023 with a goal to expand our pipeline, diversify our revenue stream, and also provide support to those making investments in the field of radiopharmaceuticals with a mean to help de-risking and amplifying innovation in the space. Thank you. Thank you for your attention. We are looking forward to meeting you at Bio 2023.